Your steering wheel is lying to you. Most modern cars no longer let you feel the road the way you used to. And the reason is simple. Manufacturers replaced hydraulic steering with electric. One gives you real feedback and the other gives you efficiency and technology. Today I will explain what changed and why one of them disappeared. What is hydraulic steering? Hydraulic power steering uses fluid pressure. There is a pump driven by the engine belt. It constantly circulates fluid, and when you turn the wheel, that pressure helps you move the steering rack. It's mechanical, it's analog. The biggest advantage, you feel the road. Through hydraulic system, you can feel grip, resistance and the limit of traction. That's why BMWs, Mercedes and sports cars felt so alive. But here is the problem. The pump runs all the time, and even when you are driving straight, that means extra fuel consumption, around 2-3 horsepower constantly lost, and hoses that can leak, fluid that needs replacing, and yes, after some time it fails. It's heavier, less efficient and more complex in terms of maintenance. What is electric steering? Electric power steering has no fluid. There is an electric motor mounted either on the steering column or directly on the rack. So it activates only when you turn the wheel. No pump, no hydraulic lines, nothing to leak. Advantages: low fuel consumption, less engine load and practically no maintenance. Lighter system, and most importantly, it allows technology to work. And here is the reasonable question: why electric steering won? You might ask, if hydraulic feels better, why did everyone switch? Because without electric steering, modern driving assistance systems don't work. Lane keep assist. The car steering itself back into the lane. Self-parking, the car turning the wheel automatically. Variable steering weight, light in parking, heavier at 70 miles per hour. Hydraulic systems simply can't do that efficiently. Electric steering made ADS possible. That's why manufacturers moved to electronic steering massively starting from the 2000s. Early example appeared in the late 18th, like Suzuki Servo, but the real boom came into 2000s with Honda, Fiat and others. The honest trade-off: hydraulic steering, better road feedback, more analog feel, and uses more fuel, needs fluid service and can leak. Electric steering, more efficient, no fluid, fewer leaks, enable safety systems, but can feel synthetic or game-like. Modern BMWs and Porsche systems improved electric steering a lot. But if you drive a 2005 car with a hydraulic steering, you will understand why enthusiasts still miss it. That's it from today. Don't miss out, subscribe for more.